Hi guys, today we will discuss about making money with Temu affiliate program. So let's get started. Open your computer browser and in the computer browser you have to write Temu affiliate program. After writing, search for it and on the first number you will see the main website of Temu. Just tap on it and now we are on the home page of Temu website. Before going any further, let me explain how can you earn money with Temu. As you can see, join affiliate now to get $2 available cash. It means when you will join their affiliate program, you will instantly get $2 cash. Now let's explore more by closing this. Scroll down and here you can read high commission. Earn big by promoting Temu. 20% commission and download bonuses. It means you need to promote the product of Temu. And with every purchase, you will get 20% commission by Temu. And here you can also read exclusive selling price. A portfolio of exclusive offer and discount for a variety of product for you to promote. Means you need to promote the Temu product. You can promote them on Facebook and on other social platforms. Now scroll down and here you can see authorized influencer will get 20% commission and also they will get user download bonuses. And this one is for websites. But you need to register yourself as an influencer. Let's scroll down more. And here is the option join now. Let's scroll up. And if you want to join their affiliate program, then you have to tap on this option, sign in and register. Once you will register yourself, you will be the member of Temu and you need to work there as an influencer by promoting product and on every sell you will get 20% commission by Temu and it was the way by which you can earn money using Temu.